Every year for the past 5 years, QMissions has taken a group of veterans down to Tijuana or Rosarito, Mexico. The team builds a home for a homeless family in honor of a fallen veteran. I have a pretty broken family history of my own, and I know Pap adopted me as his grandson. I adopted him as my brother. He gave me that love of a grandfather, and I gave him a brother that could listen and relate. It's a gift we gave each other, I guess. Well, what we're doing here on these trips is helping veterans deal with PTSD. It's very basic what we're doing, and we're showing them that there's healing through service.
But I don't feel like I have PTSD, and not a vet like you guys are, and but I just, when the kids went and Mariah and Jesse went, it was life-changing to them.
If you get the slightest call, go. Don't entertain any question of how am I going to do this. Like, if God calls you, He's going to fund it. He's going to make sure it happens.
We all know that if we do these things, we will have a reward in heaven. Mm-hmm.
And what we're doing now is taking that legacy of pain that he carried, and we're turning it into something beautiful. We're creating a home, we're building a home for a family that doesn't have one. And we're changing that legacy into something else. My own children are here now, and that legacy is being turned into a different trajectory. It's not one of pain anymore, it's one of hope.